Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 3 and the last part of the globalization and the Indian economy chapter, multiple choice question and short question answers. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1 and part 2. If you like the videos, please do like, subscribe and share. Let's quickly begin the last part. Which of the following industries have been hard hit by foreign competition? Cloth industry, vehicle industry, dairy products or leather industry? And students, it is a very important question because you may not know the dairy products, the cheese, the processed cheese, the butter, the ghee. This has been a hard hit because of foreign competition, because a lot of foreign goods come in that way. Which of the following factors has not facilitated globalization? WTO, technology, liberalization of trade, or nationalization of banks? Very easy again, students. We know the globalization is between the countries. It's not related to any of nationalization of banks. So it is nationalization of banks. Which one of the following is not true regarding the World Trade Organization? It establishes rules regarding international trade. It allows free trade to all countries without any trade barriers. WTO rules have been forced the developing countries to remove trade barriers. Its aim is to liberalize international trade. And students, we know the WTO or World Trade Organization, it establishes rules regarding international trade. It also has forced the developing countries to remove trade barriers, and its aim is to liberalize international trade. But it nowhere allows free trade to all countries without any trade barriers. They don't confirm that they can allow free trade. Which Indian company was bought over by Cargill Foods, a large American multinational company? Options are Fun Foods Limited, Amul, Agrotech Foods Limited, or Parak Foods. And answer for this, students, is the Cargill Foods, a large American multinational company, has bought over Parak Foods. We will refer the book also. The most common route for multinational company investment is to buy up local companies and then to expand production. So take an example. Cargill Foods, a very large American multinational company, has bought over smaller Indian companies such as Parak Foods. Parak Foods had built a large marketing network in various parts of India where its brand was well reputed. Parak Food also had 4 oil refineries whose control has now shifted to Cargill. Cargill is now the largest producer of edible oil in India with a capacity of 5 million pouches daily. Which of the following organizations lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment? International Monetary Fund, World Health Organization, International Labour Organization, or World Trade Organization? And students, answer for this is the World Trade Organization. Which of the following is not a feature of multinational company? It owns or controls production in more than one nation. That is true. It sets up factories where it is close to the market. That is also true. It employs labor only from its own country. No, that is not correct. It organizes production in complex ways. That is also there. So it does not employ labor only from its own country. That's not a feature of multinational company. Which of the following categories refers to investment? The money that is spent on household goods? No, it's not investment. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines, etc. That is investment. The money that is spent on religious ceremonies? No. The money that is spent on social customs? No. So answer is the money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines, etc. refers to investment. Which of the following is not true regarding impact of globalization of India? Benefits of globalization are not shared equally. That is not correct. It is there. The globalization has benefited globalization by sharing the benefits equally. Labor laws are not implemented properly and workers are denied their rights. This is not true. Because of globalization, labor laws are implemented properly. So answer is, this is not the correct sentence. The labor laws are not implemented properly. Workers denied their rights. Which one of the following Indian industries has been hit hard by globalization? Jute industry, toy making, information technology और सीमेंट. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमें पता है आपको आजकल हर जगह चाइना के टॉयज दिखते हैं. सो the toy making industries has been hard hit by globalization. Which of the following is not a characteristic of special economic zone or SEZ? They do not have to pay taxes for an initial period of 5 years. That is correct. If company invest and set up in SEZ, they don't have to pay tax for 5 years. They have world-class facilities. That is correct. They do have world-class facilities. Government has allowed flexibility in labor laws. No. They do have some flexibility. They do not have to pay taxes for long period. So students, all of these three are correct, but this is not the correct sentence. They do not have to pay taxes for long period. Yes, they do not have to pay taxes, but only for initial period of 5 years, not for long period. Which one among the following is a far-reaching change in the policy made in India in 1991? Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government, which is known as liberalization. Restrictions set by the government to protect the producers within the country from foreign competition by giving protection to domestic producers through a variety of means, or to put barriers to foreign trade and foreign investment. So students, the change in the policy in 1991 was removing barriers or restrictions set by the government, which is known as liberalization. Which of the following is the major benefit of joint production between a local company and a multinational company? MNC can control the increase in the price. MNC can bring the latest technology in the production. MNC can sell the products under their brand name. MNC can buy the local company. So students, the major benefit of a joint production between a local company and a multinational company is that multinational company can bring latest technology. जो आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिया में नहीं है, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी अपनी कंट्री से ला सकती है. That's the major benefit. Which sector has not benefited by the policy of globalization? Service sector, manufacturing sector, agriculture sector, or all of the above? Students, we know manufacturing sector and service sector have benefited, but not the agriculture sector. It is not benefited. Which of the following has benefited least because of globalization in India? Secondary sector, industrial sector, service sector, or agriculture sector? Again, we know it is only the agriculture sector which has not been benefited by the globalization. Why do MNCs set up offices and factories in more than one nation? The cost of production is low and the MNCs can earn greater profit. The cost of production is low and the MNCs undergoes a loss. The cost of production is high and the MNC can earn profit, or the MNC want to make their presence felt globally. So students, the MNC set up offices and factories in more than one nation because the cost of production is low and the MNCs can earn greater profit. And students, this brings to the last question of this chapter and part 3. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share. So the motivation I get from your comments and likes is always there, and I keep on making such videos for you. The last question is, World Trade Organization has started at the initiative of which one of the following group of countries? Developed countries, developing countries, rich countries, or poor countries? And answer is on the initiative of developed countries, WTO as well. And thank you students for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life. Keep watching, keep sharing.